Here I have VIVO V11 and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to open the slot. The slot is located at the left edge of the device right here. Let's simply open this slot by using some kind of the paper pin or special tool. Let's just press it right here, and here you can remove the whole slot from your device. As you can see here, you can insert the micro SD and Nano SIM cards. So let me start with micro SD. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position, and let's put the card with the characteristic edge right here. Alright, the card should be inserted in that way with the characteristic edge right here. Now you can put the whole thing into your device. Let me leave this slot empty. You can also use it as the dual SIM, but in my case let me use only the one slot. Now we need to press it to the end, and that's it. You just insert those two cards. So now you can switch on the device and check out how your device works with your cards. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.